Hello students, today we all have learn about the chapter our environments. Our environments, we all have already to listen the words environments in common discussion. This word is commonly used environments. So what is the environments? What is the environments? How can we define environments? The all biological and physiological components which are present our surrounding is known as environments. In other words, the things which are present our surrounding is known as environments. Means हम जहां भी रह रहे हैं, ओके, हम जहां भी रह रहे हैं, हमारे चारों तरफ जो भी चीजें प्रेजेंट हैं, वो लिविंग भी हो सकता है और नॉन लिविंग भी हो सकता है. एयर है, वाटर है, अर्थ है, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्लांट्स हैं, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ एनिमल्स हैं. दीज आर मिक्स्ड फॉर्म इज नोन एज इन्वायरमेंट्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट, the environments affect the different activities or developments of all living organisms. In this, the environmental factors, non-living factors, that is the air, water, temperature, etc. All of these affects the living organism, and living organism also affect to the non-living things. This is known as environments. In our environments, two types of things are present. One whose decompose easily and one whose does not decompose easily or remains in the atmospheres. Means हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में कुछ ऐसे मटेरियल्स हैं जो इजिली डिकम्पोज हो जाते हैं बाय द एक्शन ऑफ माइक्रोब्स, एंड कुछ ऐसे हैं जो इजिली डिकम्पोज नहीं होते हैं, उस पर माइक्रोब्स का एक्शन नहीं हो पाता और वो पड़े रहते हैं, जिसके कारण बहुत डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ पॉल्यूशंस अकर्स इन आवर एटमॉस्फियर्स. तो बेस्ड ऑन डिकम्पोजन एंड नॉट, इट्स टू टाइप्स. नंबर वन, बायोडिग्रेडेबल and second is non-biodegradable material. Biodegradable materials first and second is non-biodegradable materials. So biodegradable, what are the biodegradable materials? Those materials are those things which can easily decompose by the action of microbes, that is the bacteria and some saprophytic fungi, is known as biodegradable materials. that is paper, clothes, leather, wood, various types of things easily decomposed is known as biodegradable materials. And second is non-biodegradable. Those materials whose does not decompose by the action of microbes. ऐसे मटेरियल्स जो माइक्रोब्स के एक्शन के बाद भी डिकम्पोज नहीं होते हैं, मीन्स अपघटित नहीं होते हैं, डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होते हैं, ऐसे मटेरियल्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल मटेरियल्स. एग्जाम्पल्स: प्लास्टिक्स, insecticides, and certain metals, glass, various things are present which does not decompose easily, known as non-biodegradable materials. Okay. So, what are the differences between biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials? Clear? Next, ecosystem. Ecosystem. The ecosystem word is made up of two words, ecos. The word ecosystem first of all refers to the tensile. They define as it is the structural and functional unit of environments. Ecosystem क्या है? It is a structural and functional unit of environments. ये environments की structural और functional units. Numbers of ecosystems are present in environments based on their natures. In ecosystem, both living as well as non-living things are present and both are interact to each other. Means इकोसिस्टम में लिविंग थिंग्स भी हैं और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स हैं और दोनों एक दूसरे पे इंटरैक्शन है. Types of ecosystem. Basically, the ecosystem are classified their nature. It is two types. Number one, natural ecosystem, and second is artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem and second is artificial ecosystem. So natural, what is the natural ecosystems? The ecosystem which are present in environments and does not formed by the any human activities. ऐसा इकोसिस्टम जो नेचर में प्रेजेंट हो और किसी भी ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज का उसमें कोई रोल ना हो, तो ऐसे इकोसिस्टम को हम क्या कहते हैं? नेचुरल इकोसिस्टम। ठीक। Based on the habitats, the natural ecosystem is various types. Aquatic ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, and second is terrestrial ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, the ecosystem which composed of water. ऐसी इकोसिस्टम जो वाटर कंपोस्ट करते हैं, डिफरेंट जो वाटर बॉडीज होती है नेचर में, वो क्या कहलाती हैं? एक्वाटिक इकोसिस्टम। एग्जाम्पल, पॉन्ड्स, रिवर, लेक्स। Terrestrial ecosystems, the habitats or ecosystems which are present on the lands is known as terrestrial ecosystems. Example, forest, farm, garden, etc. Artificial ecosystem, the ecosystems which are made by humans, or in other words, the man-made structures is known as artificial ecosystems. ऐसे इकोसिस्टम्स जो मनुष्य के द्वारा बनाए गए हों, उनका फॉर्मेशन मैन के द्वारा हुआ हो, वो क्या कहलाएंगे? आर्टिफिशियल इकोसिस्टम। आर्टिफिशियल इकोसिस्टम। एग्जाम्पल, lawn, aquarium, croplands. These are various types of artificial ecosystems. So today we allow learn about what are the environments, what is the ecosystem, what is the biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials, types of ecosystem. These are the main topics of the chapter Our Environments.